आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello, the question states that discuss the differentiability of fx is equal to maximum of 2 sin x comma 1 minus cos x for all x belongs to 0 to pi. So here in this question, we have to discuss the differentiability of these two functions, but not these two functions, but to make a new graph or new function by using only the maximum part. So how we will solve this question? Using the graph only. Okay, so whenever we are having max and under the bracket two or more than two functions, here we are only having two functions. I call them hx and gx, and we need to make graph only in the 0 to pi region. So let's do it. So first I want to draw coordinate axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. First I want to draw the graph of twice of sin x. So we know how to draw the graph of sin x. Similarly we are going to draw like this in 0 to pi region. What will be the difference in sin x and 2 sin x? The only difference is the maximum value. Now the maximum value will be 2 instead of 1. Okay. Now we need to draw the graph of 1 minus cos x. For that we need to do something. I'll return it separately as gx is equal to 1 minus cos x. I need to put some values here. So first I need to put 0. So g of 0 will be equal to 1 minus cos 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, gx will be equal to 0. So graph will start from here. Now I want to put pi by 2. G of pi by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 2, 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. And g of pi is equal to 1 minus cos of pi. Cos pi is equal to minus 1, we already know this. And this will be equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here at pi by 2, it will give us 1, and at pi it will give us 2. So now I want to draw a graph like this. So this is the graph of 1 minus cos x. Okay, now we need to select the only maximum part of it. How we are going to do it? Just see. In this graph, we need to select the region where the part which is above the other graph, or which is having the highest value. So here we can say that here at this point, let us assume it's A. So from 0 to A, the highest part of graph is the black part, and between A to pi, the highest part will be the blue part. So this red part, you can see this is our actual curve for this fx. And for checking the differentiability, we just need to check the sharp edges, and we can clearly see that the sharp here, only one sharp edge is here between 0 to pi. There is only one sharp edge. So we can say that the function is differentiable only one point, at a point, only one point between 0 to pi. So here we can write it. It is non-differentiable only at one point for x belongs to 0 to pi. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।